Right, yeah.
Hey, everybody.
What do you think about this birch engine?
For the bees.
That's right.
But that was back last spring. Like even before.
Hey, Larry, how's it going?
Good. You?
I'm doing good.
Oh, you're taking a video.
Yeah, who's winning the eggnog? Lutheran looks like they're...
Lutheran is.
It's at 3 now, I think, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all the way up to 3, wow.
Gone way ahead this year.
Yeah, holy cow. Generally, like, Catholic or Russian wins. That's interesting.
Yeah, but yeah, been great.
Yeah.
Good. Take care.
We will.
Yeah, downtown. They could probably use him right now. I go in there and try to mail one little envelope and the box is stuff you can't put.
Just like every other industry, you can't get help.
Yeah.
People don't want to work.
Well, how do they live though?
Off the freebies that come now.
Well, there aren't that many freebies.
I don't know. They're living off of them, so.
Well, you have to tell me where they are.
Well, I don't know.
I think they have like 1,000 members.
Well, enjoy that part.
I don't know how many times.